is she doing? What? You have a baby in there. Come on. What? Just to plant some plants? Okay. Now we have a tire on the bed. Of course we do. All right. This is 5-minute craft special right here. Okay. And now we have some hanging. Oh, we're folding our clothes on the belly. That's pretty useful. Is that something that pregnant ladies do? I don't know. We're going to the bathroom. All right. This is a little too personal for me, for my taste. Ah, okay. I feel like you'd miss a lot. You would not aim right. Okay, now we're in the... Oh, are you... I thought you're supposed to put it underneath the belly, not on top of the belly. Okay. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to go underneath. Uh-oh, we got pain, so... Get a diaper. Alright, before the baby's even born, you get in the diaper. Freeze it, and... Okay. If it works for you, it works for you. I feel like you could use any kind of frozen thing. Okay, maybe don't take scissors next to the belly, but that's just me. Okay, we're cutting along. Wow, that belly is a different skin color. Interesting. Okay. She can't reach for shaving, so what are we gonna do? Get a broom? This does not, I would not advise this. This is like a little scary. Not too much control like that. Ugh. Okay, you got a burned ankle or a sore ankle. More diapers, yes. Rose water. Okay, rose water diaper. It's my staple of the house. And you can use a spoon to put on your shoe, okay? We got stretch marks, what are we gonna do? Oh, we're just gonna take out our handy little cucumber peeler. Okay. And now, are they there? Oh, your stretch marks are gone. I feel like that doesn't work. I feel like that's a little weird. False advertising, even though you're not trying to sell anything. Okay, that wasn't on. Put it in the fridge, take it out, and now you have a cool bra. That's cool, brah. Sorry. And we're reading our book. Get some garlic for our ears. Why do our ears hurt? What's wrong with your ears? Is that a thing for pregnant ladies? I don't know. All right. Oh no, our back hurts, so what are we gonna do? Take a nice piece of rope and drag it. Not bad. Ah, can't get up. What do we do? Belts, we're gonna just like lasso it onto something and then pull ourselves. Depends how stable that's gonna be. Okay. We got some sushi. Wow, okay. Sushi and a dress. Okay. The correct way to do it is that way. Okay. This is all about etiquette now. Lady and her mans, stop. The gentleman is supposed to, okay. I didn't know we were going by these standards still in this day and age. Okay. This is such a weird Tinder date. It's going on her phone a lot. It's all about her. No, don't go on your phone a lot. Put your phone away when you talk to the gentleman or whoever you're meeting with. That's exactly how I eat. That's just how you're supposed to eat, right? Like, or not. Okay, so we're supposed to just not be a savage. Got it. Thank you for clarifying that. Ah, no. On the shirt? No. In the pocket? That looks weird. I'm not sure that's right. Okay, so now, what is this? Ah, okay, I didn't really catch the difference there. Now we have... Don't wave your money at people. hide the money and then give it to people. Very nice. Don't be a goober at a party. What are we gonna do instead? Dance slightly better? Okay. Is that it? Okay, we got it. We got a spoon now, so we don't look like a savage. Okay, very cool. Nah, you can dip it. It's fine. Just dip it. Okay, how are we gonna squirt this lemon properly? Around a fork? I don't know. Does that work? Is that better? Okay, if you say so. Oh my gosh, this guy just keeps talking and talking. There's only so many times I can say, whoa, that's crazy. Whoa. Oh, crazy. So you should yawn under your breath and then run away as fast as possible, okay? Alright, we got a gift, and I'm guessing she's not gonna like it. Oh no, she doesn't like it. She's acting all weird. This is a horribly wrapped gift. My mouth just went backwards. Okay. Oh my god, I love it! Yay! It's my favorite. Wow. Even if you don't like it, just suck it up. We got sushi. Okay, not like that apparently. Why is that wrong? Why can't we just eat sushi like how we want to eat sushi? With your hand? Okay. I didn't know. I guess they do that in Japan though. They eat it with their hands. That's what I've been told anyway. Now it looks like we're making a nice wedding dress. So after we have our correct etiquette and our pregnant belly hacks, we can now get married. Okay, this is a little unconventional. Do you guys think that your significant others could use these hacks? Let me know down below. I just feel like these are a little niche. Cool, okay, looks nice. Cutting some ribbons. I do like purple and white. That is such a good combination. One of the best. Ah, they look like flower petals too. That's awesome. Okay. Got rose. Very nice. We're threading through the petals, making it look all nice and pretty. They look like genuine flowers now. Gorgeous silk flowers. We make 1 billion of those, take 5 years out of our life, and then, whoa, big fabric. It's interesting, I've never seen a wedding dress being made, so this is kind of cool. Next we get some sewing material, some sewing machine, blah, 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 put it all together. Okay, so that's the base. That is the skirt part of the dress. And they put that tube in there so it's all nice and shapely for the wedding. Add on these side bits. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. Nice flowers everywhere. Beautiful. It's a lot of flowers actually. It's quite a few flowers. Alright, we're stitching through everything. Get some glue. Ooh, little diamond studs. Okay. Okay, make it all glittery and shiny. Okay. Pearls. We got the whole 9 yards here. This is crazy. Stitch it all together. I want to see this. How does it look? Very nice. That's a cool dress. If you really, really, really like flowers and colors, it's a cool dress. Just dragging it through the grass. I have to admit, it's pretty. It's pretty. As far as wedding dresses go, that's also very like impractical. Like where are you going with that? You are literally not going anywhere with that. You see the drone? She kind of seems like, it's okay, I've had better weddings. Okay, I like her hair, it's nice. All right, give us more reactions right now, please.